So we're here in Saint-Nazaire, south of France, to install some interactive content. It is my first time on a cruise ship, and it's actually much more exciting than I had imagined. It's quite extravagant and lush. We've been tasked to install interactive content. There is an entertainment lounge, which is at the back of the ship. They install a LED flooring, and that's what I'm tasked with, to create some interesting, immersive, nice content to display. All the content has a theme, which follows the rhythm of the sea, moving and flowing, quite nice and peaceful flow of the sea. Some of them are video content, but half of it is also interactive content. Complicated camera systems that can take in positional data and actually track quite a lot of people at the same time. And then we can play around with things such as ripples moving around, rocks being pulled in like gravitational forces. We've created a few ones that are specifically for kids to play around with as well. We're sure grown-ups are going to enjoy it just as well. It's been phenomenal working with them, and everything has gone really well.